Hey guys, it's Miss Rayfield. I hope everyone is doing okay. I sure do miss everybody. Just kind of want to do a quick video so you can see I'm just fine. Um, just staying under quarantine a little bit longer to make sure that we keep everybody safe. I kind of wanted just to talk to you for just a minute. I know that you guys had a little bit of a rough day on Wednesday at school. But you guys are awesome kids. You're such a good, well behaved, and smart group of kids. I just really want to encourage you to be that great, smart group today for the sub. And be good and show off for Miss Rayfield, okay? Show the sub how wonderful you really are, and then go and tell the community about how great of a class that Miss Rayfield has at Pinnacle. Okay, so please, I'm going to beg you guys, do your best. Be the class that you are. Stay in your seat. Remember, we've got to do those measures where we have to stay 6 feet apart. We have to wear a mask. We can't get up and walk around. We can't sit where we want to during lunch, and we know that. Make sure and follow those rules that we've been doing since the first of the year. Okay, just because I'm not there doesn't mean that we can kind of act up and do what we want to do. Because you guys are better than that. Okay. All right, so guys, have your work posted for today. I love you so much, and I miss you guys, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.